Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a new and exciting feature introduced in iOS 18, the ability to lock apps directly on your iPhone. Let's dive into the step-by-step demonstration of how you can secure your apps with Face ID. Steps to lock apps in iOS 18. 1. Update to iOS 18. Ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 beta or the latest version. You can check this by navigating to Settings, General, Software Update. 2. Activate app locking. Long press any app on your home screen. From the options that appear, tap on Require Face ID. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up Face ID for the selected app. 3. Test the lock. Open the app again to verify the lock. You'll see a prompt for Face ID or your passcode before accessing the app. This simple feature ensures your apps remain private and secure, even if someone else uses your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.